Hello, I'm Mr. Sperry. I teach inquiry at the 3rd grade level, and I really enjoy the inquiry that we have with our students because it's very student-led. So we start with a quick mini lesson where we update the students on how to use Blocks CAD, and then from there it's really student-led. And so I always tell my students that I'm a teacher, but you may end up being a future engineer or a coder, and so you're really going to be the expert with this.
I'm Madison. I'm a 3rd grader at McDowell Elementary School, and this is my project that I worked on with Ian, Bailey, me, and my friend Guinevere. We wanted to do this, the plus sign, because we all loved math, but we couldn't decide on what thing to do because we all like different stuff. So, for example, I liked addition, Ian liked subtraction, Bailey didn't like math, and neither did Gwen. So, me and Ian compromised, and we said we'll do a plus. And then, so Ian got in the front and I got in the back.
Excellent. So what are you most proud of?
How we all worked together and how it came along.
So we were trying to make a castle, but it really didn't work. So it turned out really short, statues. And then we put on our favorite things. Michael put calves. Sarah put swimming, I put history, and then Jonah put sports.
Very nice. So what do you like best about 3D printing?
I like how we get to work in a group and create whatever we want, and like the hands-on learning with like touching it and how it's 3D.
I really enjoy this program because as our science and social studies is very inquiry-based, this is something that, again, they're in charge of, and they have so much ownership with it, and it's something at the end, the final product isn't something that I've assigned them step by step, but they actually go through the steps of, on their own, creating something, and then I think it's that much more meaningful and impactful for the kids. So it's something we absolutely love here doing at McDowell, and I can't speak highly enough of it.
Hi, I'm Daniel Jones at the high school in the makerspace. Behind me is one of our 3D printers. We use 3D printers for a variety of purposes. Sometimes it could just be for fun, but we also use it for constructive purposes, such as on the other 3D printer we're making a propeller right now for a model airplane, or you can make a bracket or something if you need something specific, or a holder for tools. And 3D printing teaches you a lot about engineering, because you have to learn how to design stuff using programs such as like Fusion 360. So it teaches you a lot about CAD and 3D modeling, which can be very useful in the future. Just have a basis in how one would go about using such programs. I'm currently working on a project to make a little tiny minifigure, like not actually that tiny, but it's a little minifigure of a person from a game I like. So for example, like here are the legs, all 3D printed. These kind of pop up together and they move. I find that like really cool how you can just design something like that and have it move and work together.